Hey, it's Abhi here, and first of all, let me apologize to you if you hear any background noise. Some construction work is going on. But anyways, what I'm going to do here is it's kind of a live case study, right, if you will. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use this service called sendbuyers.com. All right. So I purchased this for $5 per month. So I purchased this for $5, and I purchased an upsell which actually gives me an additional place to promote a link. Okay, so basically what this is, right, you purchase this and you can add your link here. It could be affiliate URL, it could be funnel URL, it could be your tracking URL, things like that. Okay, so I'm just testing this out, and you can do it too if you want. But the idea is that people who purchase this, right, they will be members inside this send buyers thing, right, and they will get daily emails with the links that you put in here. Okay, if you just purchase $5 one, you get one spot, and if you actually purchase this one, and then there will be a one-time offer for $15, let's say, right, and that will be one time, and then you will be charged $5 monthly. All right, if you purchase that upsell, you get a second link that you want to promote. All right, this space here, right here. So I actually purchased that. I have no idea how this is going to work. Okay, I'm not promoting this, but if it works, that's great. You can actually try it yourself. I will be providing my affiliate link if you want, right? That way you can actually make 100 commissions. So if you purchase this for $5, I get $5. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to promote this product that's been doing well for me. So it's called Super Affiliate Sniper. It's a trading product that teaches you Google ads and Bing ads and make money with ClickBank offers, right? It's pretty good. So I actually made quite a bit of money doing that, and I promoted it and doing making us earn some nice good commissions, right? So this is what it looks like, right? I'm not going to create a funnel and everything as of now. This is just a test, right, for first month. Let's see how it goes. All right, so this is the funnel page of the affiliate offer, right? So I can actually copy this right here. Let me just quickly copy this. All right, what I will do is I will go to Prime Link. So this is another tracking solution that I'm using, which is actually free to use, but I have a business plan right here. Okay, so if I go to billing, you can see I have a business plan. I can do a whole bunch of stuff, like I can create QR codes, bio pages, lots and lots of stuff, right? A/B testing, rotator, expiration, and things like that. Okay, so I'm going to keep it simple. What I'm going to do is I am going to, first of all, I'm going to create a channel, right? So a channel is, so for example, here I have created one for YouTube, right? I'm going to create a channel, and this one would be Send Buyers, right? So that I know, right, it is sendbuyers.com traffic. All right, and the color would be, let's say, blue. Okay, and I will create the channel. All right, now the channel is created. I will go back to the dashboard and I will create a new link here. Okay, so remember I copied this. Let me just copy it again. So I copied this. So this is a tracking. You can actually register for free. There's a free version, and it works pretty well. These basic functions are available for you as well. As you can see, I can see where my clicks are coming from on YouTube, right? From Serbia, from Brazil. So this helps. Okay, so anyway, I will paste that link. So this is a link, and at the end I will add that as well, so that in Warrior Plus it shows that, right? So what I will do is I will click on this little setting icon here, and I will add a name here. Okay, SAS Send Buyers. All right, so that I know, and I will change the channel to Send Buyers so that I know everything, and I will, yeah, I think that's it. So I will click on shorten now. All right, so I got the link. You can actually add your custom domain as well. So this is the default link that I get it. So I'm just going to use that. So I will copy that, and I will go here and I will paste this primary URL right here. And for the second link, let's say I switch it out and I will send it to my review page. Okay, so let's see, I think I have a review page for Super Affiliate Sniper review here. All right, and there we go, and this will take them to various results. All right, so let me just go ahead and copy that one. Well, actually what I will do is I will make a copy so that I know this is actually for YouTube, right? So what I will do is I will quickly log in and create a duplicate of that page. Okay, all right, I'm in. I will reload this one so that I can get the option to edit with Thrive Architect. So I use this landing page builder, WordPress landing page builder, for all my needs, right? Funnels, landing pages, everything, forms. So one thing I can do is I can import it as a template, but I will just save the landing page because I don't want to, upload it again. So template would be SAS review. All right, and I will save this template. Okay, again, apologize if you hear the background noise. All right, the template is saved. So what I will do is I will go back to dashboard. I will create a new page. Actually, I had to create a new page. Let's go back, add new page, and this time I will create, right, SAS review, right, and send buyers. Let's do that, and I will publish it. As published, I will click on launch Thrive Architect. So it's loaded now. So I will click on pre-built landing page. As you can see, there's a lot of options with this. So I have saved the landing page. So I will click on save landing page. And what was the name here? Let me just go, and I think I should be able to search it, but it's not there. Okay, anyway, the name should be SAS, right? So it should be, yeah, here, there you go. And I'll click on apply template. So the template should be applied. Hey, so I'm back. So what happened was, for some weird reason, the recording stopped work. So it is working right now. But anyway, so what I did was I actually opened the a landing page, and I changed all the links that was in here before. So for example, this one right here and this one right here, right? So I changed it so that I know the traffic is coming from send buyers. Okay, and then what I did was I actually previewed this and actually copied the URL of this landing page that I particularly created for the send buyer traffic, and I went ahead to my Chrome right here. Okay, and I actually added went to prime link and actually create a new link right here. Okay, so it is from send buyers and it is taking me to this particular review page, and I copied that prime link, and like before I actually just pasted that right here and I updated it. So that's what I all did, and I will update you what happens in upcoming videos, maybe after a week, and see how it goes. If you actually want to join and become a few of the first members to get your links sent out to other emails via email to other buyers who actually purchase send buyers. So what this guy does is he sends emails, daily emails, to people who purchased, to the members of send buyers. So they are a buyer traffic because they purchase send buyers, they bought send buyers, right? So that's the idea here. So that's what I'm testing, and you can actually go ahead and check out the link below and see and test it out for yourself. It's just $5, and maybe it will work for you. All right, maybe if it works for me, like if it works really well, what I will do is I will create actually a funnel and actually just go ahead and update it right here and see how that goes. I will update you later about all this, what's going on, and meanwhile you can actually go ahead and check it out. And I think that's it. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.